Hello everyone, today we're going to solve the fourth question of the 2024 CCC Junior Contest. It is called Troublesome Keys. Alex's keyboard is acting strangely. One of the keys, which he calls the silly key, displays the wrong letter when typed, and another key, the quiet key, displays nothing when typed. So your job is to find which one is the silly key and which one is the quiet key. So first, we're going to be solving the question in Python 3. A is going to be the sentence he is trying to type, while B is going to be the sentence displayed. And then G and H is going to be the set version of A and B. What set does is set removes all repeating variables, so there's only one copy of each variable in the set. And then X is going to be a list. So first, we check to see if there's a quiet key or not. If the length is equal, so there is no quiet key. If the length is not equal, there will be a quiet key. So first, let's see what we do if there is a quiet key. So we are going to check for the replacement of the silly key. We go through H until we find something that's not in G. That means this variable is a replacement for the silly key. We store it in D. And then we go through G, trying to find the silly key and the quiet key. We don't know which is which, so we're going to be putting J as the one closer to the beginning of the sentence, while K is one that appears later. So if the Jth character in B is equal to D, that means J is the silly key, while K is the quiet key. So then we put it like this: J, and then the replacement, and then the quiet key. If not, that means K is the silly key. So we put AK, the replacement, and the quiet key, which is AJ. So now let's see what happens when there is no quiet key. So again, first we just try to find the replacement, and then we find the silly key, and then we print the silly key here, and then we print the replacement, and then print a dash for the quiet key because there is no quiet key. And this is a program in C++. This is all for today. See you next time.